Hello everyone, so in this video I just be showing you actually how to deposit on the Fxpesa. This is one of the EGM securities platform that you can just find over here, and if you are in Kenya, of course we are just going to see how you can just deposit direct to the from the Mpesa. I just want to Pesa. Actually this is the easiest way. It is the most easiest way to deposit right from Mpesa, because the moment you just deposit right from the Mpesa, it always convert that amount of money automatically to the USD dollars. So it's just very easy as I'm going to show you. So if you're just using the phone Android, you are using smartphone, or that is iPhone, you are using laptop, then you're just going to get the same thing just like this. All you just have to be doing it to be clicking deposit, make sure that it is on the live account. And if you're using phone Android just like me, you see where it is just written those lines up there on the left side. You click there and you find somewhere written deposit. You click that and you see somewhere written deposit option, which is Mpesa Express. And you can see, of course, we have another way of depositing, which is pay bill, prepaid card, and we have also bank transfer. That's interesting. So we are going to deposit direct from Mpesa, which is Mpesa Express. Then you just have to click that. I just want you to observe this because it's very easy actually. So make sure that you have created your Fxpesa using the link in the description below. You always earn $15 when you just register using my link. Now the moment you just register, verify your account, that is the one you can deposit just like this. Over here you have to select the account. For example, you can see this wallet account. I have this wallet and I have also another wallet here. So I have a FX trader, which is I have connected with MT4. So I have to click MT4 because I want money to go to MT4. Then over here, this is where you can select how much of amount of money do you want to deposit, and you can start right from 500 Kenya shillings. You can deposit right from 500 Kenya shillings. That is the minimum you can just deposit, and you can see it just give you the exact conversion that you are going to receive. You are going to receive $4.17. That is what you are going to receive. And actually you can trade with a minimum of $5. So means you just need at least 600 Kenya shillings. You see, you need at least Kenya shillings. You can see they are converting at a range of 120 Kenya shillings. So you see you need at least 600 Kenya shillings to have $5. And over here now, the next thing that you select over here is to put your mobile phone number, and make sure that you select your country, which is very important here. So it just means that whenever you are, wherever you are, if you're in Nigeria, anywhere, if you have money in your phone, I don't know what the method you are using, but Fxpesa will just enable you to deposit direct from your phone. The next thing, after putting your number right over here and you are selecting your country code, you just click there on the flag, and then you find your country. You get your country code, of course, or you can put your that one, yeah, and you put your number, and make sure that you select this. You have to mark that you accept the number or cannot register under your name. Make sure that actually the details you just registered with your phone, maybe if you're in Kenya or whatever your country you are in, make sure that if you just registered with your ID or passport, the same name that registered this platform is the same name that you are going to deposit money using this Fxpesa. Okay, that's why there's no one who can steal money from Fxpesa, because this is your account. There's nobody, you cannot even withdraw money to another account. So if I'm going to deposit money using this line, you see this number, if I'm using this number, then it means that I can only withdraw money to that number. The moment I just deposit using that number, the time I'll just be withdrawing, you cannot withdraw using either number. It is only that number. So there's nobody, even if they access your account, there's nothing they can just do about it, unless if they get your line there, they remove the money to your account. But the money when you're withdrawing, the money have to pass through your mobile phone. So you just go to the continue. After that, make sure that the name that you have registered with are the same name. So that is my number. I registered with my real names, and the names that are going to appear right on my Mpesa, that is the same name that I'm going to put over here. So you just wait for it to process here. Actually, those are the information that you have to know to avoid losing money, to avoid any inconvenience. So you can see we have Visa card and we have Skrill. So I'm going to select the Mpesa, Safaricom Mpesa, and the next thing is to put your name, make a payment, the name. So I'm going to put my names here, and then I click deposit. But you know what is going to happen? It is going to trigger my that is my on your Mpesa, and you can see it is how it is now appearing. Then now the only thing that you just require to do over here is to put your PIN. You can see now, just put your PIN and the transaction is done. The moment I put my PIN right over here, it will deduct my money, that is 600 Kenya shillings from my Mpesa automatically, and then the money I will receive dollars in my Fxpesa. So you can see how easy it is, and you don't have even to put amount because you already placed the amount. So you can see it was cancelled because the time has elapsed. Okay, yeah, so the time has gone. So when it comes to withdraw on Fxpesa, after maybe making money on MT4 and you have closed the market and all that, and there's nothing running, then you can just come to withdraw again. Yeah, so you can just come to withdraw. So remember, we said that you can only withdraw from the account that you just removed money from the previous when you are just depositing. So you can see you can deposit to debit card, Mpesa, bank, that is local banks. If you have a local bank around you that is not even international, we have Skrill and we have Natella. So I prefer Mpesa because I just want to receive my money directly. And the moment you just select the Mpesa over here, you can just select from which account you want to withdraw, because you can create many accounts on the Fxpesa right over here, EGM securities, and I select of course MT4 again where I was trending, and then you just have to select the amount of USD that you just want to do now withdraw, because on the Fxpesa you will not be receiving the local currency, you will just be receiving USD. And now I will be withdrawing USD. Let's say you want to withdraw 50 USD or 5 USD. So you can see there is a slightly different of 6 Kenya shillings, because 5 USD when we were buying at so selling actually is low, so is somehow low with Kenya shilling 6. Now the moment, for example, you say you can just withdraw 5 USD, but when withdrawing, remember you can withdraw even $2. You can even withdraw $2. Yeah, so that is interesting. And then after that, then you can see the number here. You cannot even edit that number. It is permanent. You cannot remove it, because you are used to deposit money using that one. So you can see you cannot edit it. Even if I try to click it, it's just there. The next thing is the payment provider. Who is the payment provider right over here? It is the Mpesa. So I'm going to receive Mpesa to this number. How much? 594, which is equivalent to $5. And guess what? You have to put now your portal password. The portal password refers to the password that you created when you are that the login password. We call it login password when you are logging to the platform. And the moment you put that, if you have $5 in your account, the money takes seconds. The moment you just press submit, the moment you just click submit like this, it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, and the money will just be in your account. You can see now my account is a bit low, and that is very easy on how to deposit and withdraw money on Fxpesa. If you are not joining Fxpesa, you can just check in the description below. I will leave my link. Make sure that you just register with my link, and you will get $15 for free when you register using my link. So see you next time. If you have any question, make sure that you ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. And also make sure that you subscribe. Please subscribe, like this video. I'll be sharing more that you just need, especially how to trade profitably and make a profit out of that. See you next time. I love you so much. Bye.